Alright guys, for this video I had to cut out a lot of things. The editing is gonna look really garbage, I'm sorry about that. But I was messing with my settings and there was a little issues like setting up my keybinds and all that and so on and so on. But I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get with the video. Hope you enjoy. Oh, you got demolished.
Yep.
Defeat.
I got a lot of XP though.
Man, I hardly got any.
I'm level 19.
Level 15 barely.
Alright.
Anvil.
Anvil is trash.
Bro, Anvil shotgun though.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
Exactly.
I keep getting one-shotted by it. It's not fair.
Hey bro, we finna get clapped by that girl that got fired, bro. On God, we finna get clapped.
well,
That girl is so annoying, bro. We finna get clapped.
Really?
Yes, bro. She is so annoying.
Shit.
Overpowered. We're finna get clapped.
Stick to the plan.
Damn, I'm kind of scared now.
She's so overpowered. It's annoying.
I'm gonna throw my axe at her.
Whoa, wait,
Please,
what is
yes,
her
kill
power?
first. She shoots fire bullets, so like it takes damage over time,
Oh
and it does a
shit.
lot of damage out by itself. It's annoying.
Prevent
Damn.
the enemy from planting the bomb.
Alright, aim for that one girl. The only girl on
Yeah.
that team. Yeah.
Yes, Glitch is trash. Everyone else is trash.
Alright, let's go.
Why even land right there? What the hell? Oh, they're right here. Marking. Oh, I shot the thing. Oh!
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to knock you. I didn't mean to knock you, man. Shit, behind you, fire girl.
Bro.
I didn't mean to knock you.
Found the bomb.
I threw my C4 and then you ran into it, so I was like, damn it.
Oh my god.
Shit. It's only Anvil left, so you have a chance, I guess.
I'm not Anvil. Oh, wait,
Enemies have armed the bomb.
Yeah, no.
Disarm it.
That is weird.
Ooh, what's this?
Shush.
The bomb has been spotted.
There's...
He's behind that crate to your right. Yeah, right there.
I think there's a C4 on the thing. It's a pretty garbage pistol. Oh
let's
my
go.
god.
I'm on the objective.
Nice.
Bro. Is he that dumb?
Bomb disarmed. Crisis averted.
Oh damn. The dance too.
Smashing.
Hell yeah, I bought my shotgun.
You would.
Hell yeah, shotgun's OP. Hey.
His dance is so bad. Oh my god. They're going A again.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, they're going straight A again.
Hold that for me.
Oh,
Really?
Wow, bro. I activated my... Oh my god. That's the second time we downed him.
Yeah, I downed her team in an accident.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, right here.
Oh.
Jeez.
Need
Hey, right here. On me.
Bro, I hate that the freaking anvil power, sometimes you gotta double click it instead of just one clicking.
Let me get this.
Hey, I changed my keybind, so now my ability spacebar instead. 'Cause hell no. Freaking L1 and R1.
What are you playing on?
I'm playing on PS4.
Okay, yeah, me too.
Looks like someone B, someone A.
Yeah, I think 3 went A.
Yeah.
Right there again.
Deploying.
Oh! Hey, right there. Hey, he's weak. Right here. Are you trash? Hey, there's someone
Knocked.
there.
Oh. Fire lady
knocked
down.
one.
Fire lady down. Fire lady down. What the hell happened?
Well done.
Oh.
There we go. I think I did it right.
It's AFK. It's only us 3 right now.
Oh, crap.
My C4 is glitched out. I can't use it.
Oh, they're killing
Where
each
they
other.
at?
Oh, there might be a B.
Yeah.
They actually might be, they're shooting at our
Yeah, I saw them
teammates,
like land mid.
Enemies have armed
So,
the bomb.
yeah.
Disarm it.
Oh, what? He's so low.
Bomb has been spotted.
13 damage up close, really? Shit, say less, man.
I got punched by the fire.
And the last one's
I think
AFK.
that's it,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, he left. Now it's fifth.
I'll take that.
There we go. Alright.
I'm still 2 ATV. I'm not too sure though.
One's going B, yeah.
Still can't use my
Come around the corner.
freaking claymores.
They never come around the corner. Hold on. Oh my god.
Oh, me.
That fire goes right. Oh, she one tapped me.
Yeah, fire.
She
fire
one
goes
tapped me.
in
That's
fire.
so nasty. I hate that character. I want to buy her and be annoying. Yeah, watch out. Yeah. Oh my god.
Yep.
Oh, you got fire, girl?
Yeah, I got fire girl. We don't have bombs, so they might be. Oh my god. They might be planning at B or something.
Yep. Damn, I missed every single shot of that.
We will not break.
All friendlies
86.
eliminated. Regroup.
Supposedly 100 up close.
I got a 6 ARs, you know, I don't know how to use shotguns. My brain just went, like, horrible. Horrible.
Smashing.
I'm just gonna party it up.
I like how there's a bunch of guns here, but we can't use them.
Like that sniper, I really want that sniper.
It sucks you can't buy a character though.
I know. Freaking rigged. I didn't mean to put that.
They're going B.
Yeah, they're going hard B. Bro, I bought C4s and I can't even use them.
Why?
I know.
The glitch messed up my
good.
thing.
They might have won A.
No, they're on us. They're on me.
Need help.
What was that?
Jesus.
Oh,
Right there.
weak as hell. I'm dead. We're dead.
Deploying utility. Get back in.
Ah, behind us.
Run it again.
Yeah.
We got mollywopped.
You still got this.
We're
I
attacking
believe in
now.
this.
Hit him hard.
I was good. And I don't know. Today's a bad day though. Worse than yesterday.
Stay
Oof.
together
Why?
and watch each other's backs. We got this.
Playing bad. I don't know.
Good choice. Good choice.
Oh, I have bomb, by the way.
Pick a site and plant the bomb.
How are we doing?
We'll go B. Let's go B.
Alright.
Alright.
I don't know. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. If you can. If they went B. Yeah, I don't think they're here.
Oh my god, freaking system already got hacked.
Fire girl got me.
God.
Good.
Trash.
Get up, rogue.
Thank you.
Where are they?
Glitch is like one hit.
Yeah, I didn't hit. I missed
him.
all my shots.
Alright,
Yeah,
planning,
glitch.
planning.
I got the objective.
Go ahead.
Bomb's armed. See it through.
Got him, got him.
Oh, let's go.
Hey.
Got this. Right stick.
Crouch.
3 of them, 2 of them.
Yeah, they're splitting 2 for 2.
You need more training.
I'm down.
Oh, the damn fire girl.
Where's she
Oh
at?
shit, I forgot to buy my weapons.
By that doorway. You gotta get on that doorway.
And
Oh my god.
enemy spotted.
Oh,
Behind you.
what?
Behind us.
Bomb's been dropped.
2 of them on top, heading to you.
He crushed us.
Wow, I
Run it
was
again.
next to the wall.
Good choice.
Oh man.
You can try B if y'all want.
Yeah. Yeah. B will probably be better.
Yeah, they're going A. They're turning now.
They must have, yeah, I think they went B, by the way.
Oh, yeah, there's one right here on me. Got the glitch. Oh, there's another one. I knocked one.
Planning.
Got the objective.
Bomb's armed. See it through.
Shit. Fire, 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 leave.
Oh yeah,
That X messed you up.
I'm aiming too high. Shit.
They don't know where
How do you
bomb
think
is.
he? Wait, how am I alive? What?
Ah, he found
It
it bomb.
says I'm alive.
Oh shit. Hurry, go, go.
I can't move. It's like
Bomb
it's
defused.
glitching.
Fight harder next
What
time.
in the world? That was weird.
Match point for the enemies.
Oh my.
No, undo. There we go.
Good choice.
Alright, where you wanna go?
Yeah, let's try it again.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
I have bombs. They're right here on me. What?
Bombs down. Don't leave it behind.
Damn it.
My bad.
Bro, aim down, please. Oh, I'm wrong character.
All targets eliminated.
Nice.
Great work.
Oh, I died right after.
Whew.
Match point. Tighten up.
Oh God, we can't lose another round. Oh, I have bomb. Alright, where we going?
Good choice.
It doesn't matter to me.
You go B again, or should we go A?
Let's try A.
Sorry.
Alright, A.
Go here.
Looks like they're gonna meet us there.
Lethal out.
Oh, right there.
I'm down. Bomb has been dropped.
I'm dead.
Bro, ah, damn it.
Run it again.
Bro, that's 2 losses in a row.
We're not doing good at all.
Nope. Hey, leveled up, nice.
Someone took the email.
Oh, damn. Hey, but you're going to.
Yeah, I'll be the medic.
Oh, man.
I'll take that.
Bro, at least there's no glitch this time. Every time there is a glitch, if he activated his ability and killed me halfway, I couldn't use none of my C4s after that.
Don't let your enemies plant the bomb.
Oh, this map looks hella small.
Yeah, it does.
I'm going B.
Are they even going to B or are they going to A?
I think they're gonna
Need help.
Yeah, they're going A.
Bomb's active. Find it and defuse it.
Use gadget, please, bro. I'm pressing the. My God. Oh man.
Oh, easy.
Down.
Nice.
They're at A. They're at A. Couple for them. Couple for them.
Found the bomb.
I'm down. Deploying utility. Not yet.
He's probably gonna run for bomb.
All enemies have been eliminated.
Smashing.
Alright, let's do this. Come on, turn the radio on.
Deploying utility.
Nice.
I got one.
Lethal out.
All targets eliminated. Great work.
Hey, what's that?
Come on, walk it off.
I'm good.
I'll take that.
I just maxed out my my C4.
I like how I zoomed in. How you go into first person when aiming down with Doc's AR?
Ew. Okay.
Looks like they're going B. Somewhere going A. It's like a mix right there.
Enemy spotted.
Bomb spotted.
Oh, me and this guy knocked each other.
No enemies remaining. Well done.
Oh. I was the only one that did.
Hey, let's go.
Smashing.
Like armor.
I gotta be something to play this. Hold up.
I think they're going to be right away.
Lethal out.
Can you activate it, please?
Go here.
Thank you. Oh my god, bro.
I'm not gonna get it. I'm knocked.
I can do this.
All friendlies
7
eliminated.
damage. What the?
Alright.
Shotguns.
Smashing.
Absolutely shit up close, but absolutely good far away.
I got trip mine.
They're like all over there.
Deploying lethal. So easy.
One teammate's by A.
Deploying utility.
Oh my god. Somebody. Dude, what the hell are you doing? Oh my god.
Go here.
Gotcha.
Teammate could revive me the whole goddamn time.
Low, 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 low.
All enemies have been
Nice.
eliminated.
He was like right next to you or what?
Pretty much, yeah. The enemy wasn't even peeking. He was like running
Halfway
away.
through. Switching sides.
Bang back. This one's on me.
I'm a max out pistol off start.
I reckon that'll work.
I went for my padded steps. Silence the sound of your steps while sprinting. Oh, well, not sprinting. Oh, well, did not know that.
Plant the bomb in either site.
Damn, brother. Okay. I'm gonna go be A, and then A. I have
Okay.
bombs, so.
A good majority of them are going to protect an A, and then some of them are going to B. I mean A.
Alright, I'm gonna go B. Go A, go A, go A.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch the objective with Elson.
I'm already playing bomb.
We've armed the bomb. Defend it.
This is what I do.
Run, Doc, run, Doc. I got you. Take it. Rushing a bomb, rushing a bomb.
I'm down. Enemy spotted. Enemy spotted.
What did you expect?
Last one can heal himself, so as soon as you knock him, kill him.
No enemies remaining.
Yeah, it's only
Well
two
done.
knocked him.
Nice.
Lethal out. Need help.
Let's go, MP7.
Right you are.
I had to scan right away, see what everyone is.
Looks like they're going middle. Middle towards B. Oh god, they're all out there.
Yeah, I'm with you, I'm with you.
You need more training.
I knocked one with my knife.
Nice. He's going for res, behind there.
Enemy spotted.
Going to A with
They're
them.
planning at A.
Yeah.
I'm on the objective.
We've armed the
I'm
bomb.
telling you,
Defend
I
it.
came back at A. We were gonna get killed. You and me were about to get blasted by all of them.
Oh.
Oh,
Hallway.
God, oh, God.
Lethal out.
Behind. Knock one.
Need help.
Last one. Shit.
I'm dead.
Bomb neutralized. We're beaten.
Alright, I'm getting off after this, by the way.
Alright. I'll probably get off too and just chill or
I
something.
reckon that'll work.
I'm gonna go eat some Korean barbecue soon.
Ooh.
Yeah, what about you?
I think my mom's making something.
Let's do this. Scanning. They're all at A again. I mean B. They're all at B.
Need help.
Oh my god, I got Food gained by 2 of them. Hey, I knocked one.
Lethal out. What goes around, partner?
Yeah, I'm dead.
1v1.
Forty-five seconds left.
Knife, 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 knife.
Bombs down. Don't leave it behind.
Oh my god.
Knife.
Crushed us. Run it again.
Uh, oh my god.
They ran straight into it.
I reckon that'll work.
I thought you saw it. I was even saying knife, knife, knife.
That wasn't me.
Oh, that wasn't you?
Oh, I'm running.
Oh yeah, that was Elson. Oh yeah, he's sad. Whatever.
Yeah.
I was like knife, knife, knife.
Yeah, if it was me, Fabian. Oh, okay.
Huh? What happened?
You don't love him anymore, okay?
What? No, I do. I do.
He says he does.
No, he doesn't, because he doesn't even wants to come over anymore.
Oh.
So he doesn't love me anymore.
I don't think that means that long.
Yeah, that's what it means.
Okay.
What'd she say?
He gave him a care because he doesn't love me anymore.
Well, you're getting your hair pulled.
Lethal out.
What did I do?
I honestly don't know, okay? I'm just as confused as you are.
I can't aim for shit, honestly. Nice. Oh, that's a waste of a power. Thank you though.
I even
Lethal out.
Burn. I hate my life.
Oh,
Get up, rogue.
She called me
I
bro.
got you.
Ew.
T-minus
Said
45.
Hitting the teammate because I'm getting shot down.
Enemy spotted.
I got your back. 30 seconds.
Last one's on me. Last one's on me.
Thanks, man.
I'm on the
I'm
objective.
gonna arm the bomb just in case you get down.
We've armed the bomb. Defend it.
Where is he?
On me, on me.
Spotted. Enemy spotted.
Need help.
I'm down.
No enemies remaining.
Got him.
Well done.
Okay.
Let's go.
I'm good. Last round. End strong.
Hey, let's go, boys. I gotta stop flipping my phone over.
Come on, let's end
That'll
this.
do.
I'm hungry.
What are you gonna eat?
Probably frozen burritos, man.
Ooh. Oh, the what's it called? I forgot the name of them, but the ones that have like the green chili and all that in them.
Yeah.
Those are good, man.
I don't know. I'll find something. Make a sandwich.
Nah.
I'll just eat everything in the goddamn kitchen.
Yeah, seems like something you'll do. Oh, what? They're actually grenade.
Lethal out.
I got a lock on me. He's running away. Oh, I got another person on me. Guy who can heal himself. I'm cornered.
Lethal out. Down. Enemy spotted.
One's in the back. It's that one guy. He can heal.
I got you, buddy.
He healed.
All enemies have been eliminated.
Nice. I got a teammate back up.
Bombs down. Don't leave it behind.
Dance, dance. Ooh, ooh.
Go
I'm
here.
betting line dance is more dangerous than that.
Shotguns and SMGs are more effective at close range. I call bull on that statement.
I know. Shotguns freaking suck.
You can literally snipe someone and you'll probably do better than actually going up close and personal.
Alright, well, first, before I get off, I gotta make sure. Can I buy him?
You want to try
No.
again with the outro like last time?
Um, not really.
Not really. Alright. Oh man. Oh, I just cracked my back. Fire. Alright, I'll see you later, man.